So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is here Bobby Chatterjee with you guys, and today I am back with another makeup tutorial for you. So I am back with this base makeup tutorial. You can see the base makeup tutorial will be up on this time. You can directly jump onto this if you want to. But yeah, do subscribe to my channel, do like, share and hit the notification bell button so that you do not miss any updates. And also check me out on my Instagram because I post a lot more updates over there, a lot more personal updates as well as a lot more makeup looks. So yeah, let's get started. And if you're wondering about this eye look and everything, this eye look will be up on my Instagram as well. So this is how the eye look looks like. And yeah, I think you will find this base makeup tutorial really helpful. And I am wearing this cute top that I had got from Urbanic. Let me show you how it looks like. It's somewhat like this and it looks really pretty. I absolutely love this top. So yeah, without further more ado, let's get started. So I'll start with hydrating my face with a plum face mist. This is the cream tea face mist and I just love it. It just refreshes your skin. Then I'm going to use the 5% hyaluronic acid from Dermaco. I'm so sorry the footage has been, this the camera is like out of focus. I couldn't see it and I'm so sorry for that. Next I'll be using the Mama Earth vitamin C face cream to just moisturize my face, and to be honest, this face cream was just horrible for my skin. It gave me rashes, acne and my face was literally burning. Then I am applying some Requil SPF 50 sunscreen, which I absolutely love, and some Insight lip gloss to hydrate my lips. Now for primer, I have used the Pack Pore Primer. This just blurs out your pores and makes your makeup long lasting. Next I'm using the Swiss Beauty color correcting primer. So this primer brightens up your skin tone, color corrects a little bit, and also gives your makeup like a dewy finish. So I have applied the Swiss Beauty primer towards the around all the areas of my face, and the Pack primer just near my pores. And now I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Latte, and I've mixed it with Maybelline Super Stay foundation in this shade. I believe it's 112. It's like the lightest shade. Then for contouring, I am going to use the Cuffs and Lashes contour. This one is in the shade 14, I believe. I'm going to contour my cheekbones, my nose, my forehead and also my jawline to have that sharp jaws. So yeah, right now I'm just blending my contour, and always remember how to place your contour because that really matters. Next I am going to use the Swiss Beauty liquid concealer. This one is this shade 03. This is like slightly highlighting for my face, so it works beautifully. It has medium coverage and I love this concealer. You can definitely go ahead and give this a try. It's affordable and it's good quality. So I've applied it under my eyes and I've reversed contoured with it, also applied that on the bridge of my nose. So I am going to blend all that out with my brush. Next for cream blush, I am using the My Glam Clean Beauty stick. This is the argan oil stick, I believe. It's in this shade French Rose, and I'm just blending that out. You can see how beautiful that looks. It looks absolutely stunning and I love how it looks. It just melts into your skin. You can definitely give this one a try. Next I'm using the elf jelly highlighter. This one is in the shade Bubbly, and I am applying that on my cheekbones, on the bridge of my nose, my forehead, on my cupid's pull, as well as on my chin, basically all the places where I usually highlight. Next I'm setting my under eyes. For that I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. I just blended the concealer out a little more in order to put out the creases and then apply the powder. Next for bronzer, I'm using the Milani XL bronzer. It's in the shade 01 and I love this bronzer. Again, it's one of my favorites. I am bronzing my forehead, my cheekbones, and I also bronzed my jawline. Next for blush, I'm using the My Glam K Play blush. This one is in the shade strawberry and it's like an absolutely amazing blush. It gives you a nice flush of color and it blends out super easily. And for highlighter, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Revolution XO highlighter palette, and I'm using the golden shade, highlighting my cheekbones and particularly all the areas where we basically highlight. So yeah, I'm highlighting my face and fixing my face with a MAC makeup fixer. This is in the variant lavender, and yeah, this is my finished makeup look. I hope you guys liked it, and I absolutely love it. And everything, this eye look will be up on my Instagram as well.